Do you want to know how you can get more engagement on threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get more engagement on threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. What you need to do is search for follow back options, which you can see. As you can see, it already has suggested me how I can gain followers. Scroll a bit down and you can find the follow back options. Scroll down until you find something like this. So you can go ahead and follow this person, and then this person might follow you back. Now to increase your engagement, go ahead and click on the threads. Scroll a bit down. You can see that there are a lot of people wanting to connect with you. Go ahead and click on this and you can click follow. So you can click follow by just clicking on this plus button. Click follow and follow everybody who are commenting on such kind of post and share love with them. Go ahead and follow them, and then you can see that they might follow you back and your engagement will be increased. So you can go ahead and post some things on your threads and you might notice that a lot of people might follow you back and your engagement will be highly increased. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.